Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this eufy 4K security camera. This is an add-on camera. You do have to have a home base. I've got a home base 3 which I'll be connecting it to, so this is not a standalone unit. This is model number S330. Now it does have a solar panel on the top, so this is an exterior outside camera that has a battery built into it, and the solar panel, as long as it gets 2 hours of sunlight a day, can keep that battery charged up under normal usage. It is a motion sensor, so when it senses motion, it can alert you, but it will also start recording. You can do live view. It does have a camera or a light, and here's the mount that it comes with, and it does have a sync button. Now we are going to have to charge it up for the first time. So take this back cover off right here. It does come with the charging cable. It is USB-C, so you can plug the USB-C cable in either way. And we're going to want to get this all charged up before we start using it. You will have to plug this into a wall outlet, or if you got the home base 3, you can plug this into the back of the home base 3 to actually charge the camera. Now here's the mount. There's only a 1/4 thread on the back side. So the mount looks like a pretty sturdy mount too. Undo it. It does come with the screws to mount it with. So mount this, and you're going to take this. This comes apart, but you're going to want to put this all together like this. Put it on here. Leave that a little loose so you can adjust it. Screw this in right here. Now to be weather tight, it does have to have that cover on the USB-C cable. All right, so let's screw this in and see what kind of we're going to measure it. See what kind of angles we can get with it. Now that's a metal part right there too. So the camera is a little heavy, so this is a pretty heavy duty mount. So screw it down, then tighten it with this nut right here. Now I can position this. So if I got it on the wall, I can position it down. I can rotate this, position it over here, position it up. I can put this on like an overhang and position it wherever I would need. So let's do some measuring real quick. All right, the camera itself 5 inches. With the mount, it's about 8 1/4 inches. This is the thickest part, 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And the mount sticks out from the wall just to mount itself 3 inches, or about 2.5 inches that way. All right, so let's charge it up. And again, as long as you've got a bunch of sunlight that it can charge the battery, you're not going to have to unmount it. And then you're not going to have to unmount it to charge the battery. Okay, I've got the other end of the cable plugged in. There's the blue light. That's going to be flashing, and it should go steady when the blue light will be steady when it's charging. It will go out when it's fully charged. It could take 8 hours. Now they do recommend hanging it 7 to 10 feet above the ground, and it will motion sense up to 26 feet from, it looks like about a couple feet away from where the camera is. So 26 feet is where it'll sense motion. Okay, so in the eufy security app, you will have to log in. We're going to click the little plus button. You're going to add a battery camera. Click on S330. Now again, for this to work, you have to have a home base. I've already got the home base 3 set up. It's plugged in. It's connected to the internet. Now this has Wi-Fi also, but the camera is going to connect wirelessly to the home base. So it has to be relatively close to the home base for setup, but then after it's set up, it'll use your house Wi-Fi to talk to the home base.
Until you hear the beep.
Okay, press the sync button. I'm walking through the setup procedure in the app. All right, so the home base said it's ready to add device, and it's discovering this. Now during the installation, it does want you to keep this horizontal. It doesn't want you to tilt it. So keep it horizontal. So again, you can have the motion turn the light on. I can turn the light on in the app when I'm in live view, and I can turn it off. Now it does have a speaker. I can speak to it. I can have it sound the alarm if it senses motion. And I can have a conversation with somebody through there. And I can also hear. So here I am in live view in the app, and it's got a very clear display, 4K. I can pinch and zoom in and see really close up. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.